What's up, guys, and welcome one more time here to BitBrothers, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. My God, why I'm speaking like this? If it's your first time here, if you're new to the channel, if it's the first time you've seen our content, smash the like button and subscribe. And the reason why, because we are here with you in the bear markets. We are here on the good times and on the bad times. We're always here. Me and Papa, we are always here. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel because recession, warning, sees Bitcoin's deep under 21K. What's the price now actually? 21,376. Maybe we will see Bitcoins dropping because of the recession. Yesterday, I was watching a news or reading somewhere on Twitter that recession, I think was even, I think was run. Somebody, I saw someone speaking about it. And recession will start probably on Thursday. So that means that's the beginning of the recession. We've seen recessions before in the past. Lasting for 2-3 months, other recession lasting for 6 months, other 9 months, 12 months. So what I would suggestion here, because we suggest or we just say things that we do ourselves, okay? That we do ourselves here. Let me just open here. Okay. For you guys to be aware, Brasileiro vendo na Grécia. Hello, how are you doing? Brasileiro vê na Grécia, look. Bam, bam, bam. So, there was an intern joke, by the way. So, recession, guys, recession. It's coming. It's apparently, because of the warnings, is inevitable to happen. But like we said yesterday, is a crucial moment. Papa don't believe that Bitcoin might drop so much more. But if the recession does start eventually this week, and even if we have, let's say, least 90 days, 3 months. We are now in July, okay? August starts. August, September, October. So we are thinking ending of October to end a fast recession, let's say. If and end of October, remember, of course, that I'm not a TA, none of this, but if you remember the other day, I showed you guys, or I shared with you some drawings here on my chart that I like to check, and I'm always following here, which I will share with you here for you to have a look. Again, this is just my vision, okay? My personal way of seeing. If I'm just following the fundamentals of the economy, what's happening right now. So we are in starting a recession. And again, I'm going to look here. So we said, let's say a very fast recession, okay? With 3 months, and in 3 months' time, we start to see a bull run again. That would be amazing because what did I say here? August, September, October, okay? So if it follows the path that I said here, end of October, actually on the 31st of October to be precise, we would be reaching the bottom. Can you see here? And you guys know, if you follow us here, that I did this like a month ago or 2 months ago. We didn't even knew when the recession would actually start. But if the recession is starting now, and something will be a fast recession, let's say, and we start to go back up again in October, my chart here is just saying that around October 31st, we are reaching the bottom. And then maybe you start to see things going up. I believe I still think, of course, it's not a crystal ball. That's not what, maybe it's not what is going to happen. I don't know. I'm just a speculation, okay? So 12,605. Let's just be specific and precise. 31st of October, around 12,605. If it goes that low, well, we've been telling you to do what? DCA in, DCA out for a long time. Okay, look what's been happening here. If we look here, if we just make here, look here on the chart. See, it went up to the line, went down again, and then what happened again? Went up to the line, to my uptrend line, and went down again. Again, we are below the 21,800. Remember, before, maybe half a month ago, we were saying if it breaks the resistance here of 21,800, we would go up, and we did. It broke the resistance here and went all the way up to 23. Oh no, went up to 24,000, and then test the resistance, went down again to the level. Now we're below 21,800. It's at 21,300 today, as you can see here. So we might, can you see it's green line? So it's green candle. So we might go up again, and we start to go up again. And we might see a rally now, a bullish for the next 3 months. We might see something going up, playing this range here, and start to go down, guys. If it goes down, I believe that's going to be in the next 3 months around here. If, and of course it's too far ahead to go, but if it's going to be 3 months, this is 3 months. So this is October, November, December, January. So here, around here, let's put a line here just for us to understand. So around January here, let's say middle of 20th January, would be 6 months from now. 6 months from now, going to 6 months from now? No. August, September, October, November, December, January. Yes, correct. 6 months from now. And then if it's not, if it's 9 months, January, February, March, April, so around April here. So let's say, of course, it's everything to do is speculation. April, 3, 6, 9, 12. So April, May, June, July. So around July here is where we are now, 12 months. So let's say 26, 27 of July, today, a year from now. So now we can play here. Look, we have a visual thing that might happen here. So we are here, okay? Look, there is some volume happening there. If we stay bearish, if we stay bear market for the next 3 months, we will start to see, there's 4 scenarios here. We start to see Bitcoin going up, or the markets, the whole markets reverse and start to go up in October. If it's a faster recovery, right, on 3 months. If it's not, if it's in 6 months, we are looking January. We need to see how this is going to play here. And if not, April, okay? And if not, July. Why are we putting all those possibilities here? Because we work within possibility. We work within speculation. But so more or less, you have an idea here. Oh, it didn't happen here. It didn't happen here. And we are around here, this range here between 12 and 18. And past it here, maybe we'll stay on this range here into January to then start to go up. So you have more or less an idea where you can play with it, right? That's what I think, guys. I still believe, I strongly believe in DCA in or DCA out. This is in either way. If we are bearish, if things are going down, you start to DCA in to accumulate, put your positions in make better positions for when the market start to go back up. Because one thing that is for sure, we will go back up, either in 3 months, either in 6, either in 9, either in 12. At some point, the market will reverse and we will start to go up. But you need to be ready in order for you to start when you see all-time high, start to slowly DCA out, doing the reverse process in order for you to get your profits and your gains. Remember, you're not trying to play against the whales. They are here just to pump their bag, but you need to be smart enough in order to get enough. Like if you see a high candle, all-time high, oh, I have 10x profits here. Maybe it's time to DCA out a little bit. Take 20, 10, 15% out of profits. So you will do the reverse of what you are doing now, which is DCA in the market. Okay. Well. So recession warning sees Bitcoin deep under 21K. What will we be saying now for the next 3 months? We will maybe see Bitcoins going up maybe for a little bit, but dropping again. That's how I see it. That's how I understand there. Again, I'm not a TA myself, and um, you have to do your own research in order for you to understand what's going on. Five Solanas. Solana is nice. Let's see Solana here, by the way. We haven't seen Solana, in a bit. So let's just see Solana here in 1 second. So Solana. I have done no drawing Solana. Solana is here. It's the same thing. Guys, we need to follow the Bitcoin chart. If Bitcoin go up, I still believe that the Solana will drop. If you saw our live yesterday, we are actually above the price we were 1 year ago. Solana is on profit if you bought one Solana 1 year ago. So, but I still believe Solana gonna drop. I don't know to how much, but I still believe Solana might drop, to around 19 or so. As we can see here, there's support here. So I think I still see Solana might drop, but again, we need to keep eye and vigilance with the market in order for you not to get wrecked. All right, I am Casquinha Crypto. Remember to follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother and Casquinha Crypto, and of course follow us here on the channel. Subscribe, share. Make any sort of engagement here. Leave your comments, send a message, whatever, because like this, the YouTube understand that you like our content. And now, Papa will show you some incredible stuff. Anyways, bye-bye.
Hey guys, hello everybody, Papa BitBrother here. So yeah, just taking the end of what Casca's saying. So guys, I actually heard that once the word recession comes out, we are leaving recession. That's what I keep hearing from many specialists. So what Casca says about 90 days, it could play out, of course, like he says, everything's speculation. To say the truth, from what I'm looking at, and I'm going to show you some graphics here that the specialist says, we are actually, like the Fed's going to, they have a meeting today, I think, isn't it? So they're going to release the new interest rates today. So from today, we're going to kind of have a better idea of what's going to happen. But volatility is all over every single time the Fed does hit their meeting. So if you don't know, the Fed is what brings the interest rates to America. Okay, is the Federal Reserve. Basically, they decide how the economy of America goes, and of course, this defines a lot in the Bitcoin universe. Let's say like this, because it's like most investors comes from America. Yeah, they have a lot of Bitcoin miners and so much going on there. Of course, as you can see, America is a great potency in the world and defines a lot of stuff. So let's see what's happening today anyway on the market, and then we go from there. So guys, you can see I found really interesting that Bitcoin's below $1 trillion at 982, but still the price of Bitcoin went up slightly yesterday, 151% at 21,348. Ethereum 1,475, 8% on the weekly anyway. So if we're going to take that, we already bottom in. This is another great opportunity that you have. But again, if you believe like Casca that we're still going to reach 12,000, maybe you can wait a little bit longer. From what I see, guys, and this is a dangerous zone to play with. Of course, if you don't have money right now, you have to wait anyway. But I think, also if you're planning to enter the market, yes, it's worth to wait a little bit longer. Yeah, but again, you have to be vigilant, because if goes any further down, I think it's going to be a quick process. If you're not in, like if you wait like a couple of days, you're probably going to miss. let's say you're thinking like, no, I'm not checking every day, I'm checking once a week, or I'm checking every couple of days how the market goes. And this is not going to work. Okay, now it's time to be vigilant, watching videos every single day so you can DCA in the best way possible. Okay, so the winners of the week is Trust Wallet at 12% Quantum, Bitcoin Gold, Ethereum Classic, Monero. Guys, is this coins that you should invest? Because it's normally people do that. People see pumps and they invest in pumps. Guys, you never invest in pumps really, because there's probably always going to have a downside soon. Even sometimes, for example, you see here Loop Ring, a 19% on the weekly. Now you have to check on the monthly, let's say like this, because it might have a pump of 19% and we just dropped 19%. That means it's in the same price that it was a month ago. So that means that you probably could wait a little bit longer to have a better dump than that. So don't look just at this as well. But looking at this, if you take just that, amazing opportunity on all of these coins here. Okay, I think they're all amazing. Flow as well, 17%. Avalanche at $21, 15% on the weekly. The graph 16%, stepping a 15, Algorand, everything here is on a list of like big drops on the weekly. But again, for you to be worth investing, you need to check how much there was the previous pump. Okay, because they might not drop so much if you check the previous pump. Let's say the previous pump of Near Protocol was 30% and it just dropped 15%. That means that is not the best like time to DCA. But again, if you think it's gonna go lower, if you think that we're gonna stabilize at these prices, it's a very good entry point. Okay, what Plan B says is Bitcoin is obviously linked to stock markets and all things are value because fiat currencies are deflated. Crucial difference is that Bitcoin grows much faster because it's scarcer. In the same period, S&P 500 went from 1,000 to 4,000, 4x, and Bitcoin went from $2 to $20,000, 10,000x.
Papa, you're not sharing your screen. You want to show your screen?
What? Oh man, I can't believe. Why didn't you say? I put the thing to share.
You didn't share.
Ah man, guys, I'm so sorry for this. I thought Casco was gonna put it.
Sorry, guys, my fault.
Okay, oh, so it's 982 million. I showed there again, trillion, billion. Sorry, it's too much going on. So what I was showing is the losers of the week, again, just coming back quick. So you can see his Loop Ring, 19%, Gala. So guys, it's very easy to go to CoinMarketCap and then go here. If you press the 7 days, we'll show the winners of the week, the coins that value the most, and the coins that lost, dropped the most as well. So then you can go and do your own research in terms of entering these coins if you're not in already. I will say that I am, full disclosure here. I'm investing Gala, Solana, Arweave, Flow, The Graph, Avalanche, Algorand, Near Protocol. These are all coins that I have invested, and Thorchain here, Elrond Gold as well. So I'm quite in the Sandbox as well. Okay, so I have quite a few coins there that I have hopes for, and I believe in these coins. I believe in the project. I think it's gonna do great. Okay, especially in the future, and that's why I still hold, and I hold all the way down. But I don't regret. I definitely don't regret. I think I supported the network, and that's important as well. Okay, so guys, this is crazy news here. Cathie Wood sells Coinbase shares amid insider trading allegations. Cathie Wood investment firm ARK Invest Management is the third largest shareholder of Coinbase, reportedly holding nearly 9 million as late of June. Guys, Cathie Wood, she's pretty much the owner of ARK Invest, okay? So the third largest shareholder of Coinbase. But guys, they work with billions and billions of dollars, okay? They manage billions of dollars, these people. So they sold 1.4 million of Coinbase shares, and in total, guys, with all the ARK Invest ETF funds, so they have a few more companies. It's ARK Exchange Traded Fund, which offloaded 1.1 million coins, ARK Next Generation Internet ETF, ARK FinTech Innovation. So in total, they sold $75 million of Coinbase because there was an allegation that they were doing side trade. So guys, once again, what I wanted to bring this is, look where the smart money goes. If Catwood came out of Coinbase, be careful of leaving your coins in Coinbase, because if you don't have your key, if you don't have your keys, you do not have your coins. It's very important to rephrase that. You have your coins in exchanges. So if they seize, they go bankrupt, they will take your coins. Okay, that they are not yours, especially if you heavy invested in exchange. Okay, so be careful, because this can go bad. And we know, we have seen that things can go very, very bad in crypto. Okay, and this is a problem because lots of people come out once these things happen. Okay, and we don't want you to be one of those. So if you're fully invested in Coinbase, maybe you open an account in a different exchange and send some coins to the different exchange. So I have CoinGecko, and I have Binance, and I have crypto, and also but most of my investments are on my MetaMask. Okay, I'm not a huge investor, so I don't have anything stored in cold wallet, because I will need to exchange as well, because I'm still trying to do small trades with my coins. So yeah. So NFT potential, vast and creative possibility. So guys, always check it out as well. What's the news here? Maybe there's something that interests crypto. ATM market value to hit 472 million by 2027 per new data. Okay, so there's a few interesting information there. So now, what Washgore said, he's a TA as well. He says Bitcoin logarithm Bollinger Bands on the 3-week Bollinger Bands show an interesting pattern that occurred 3 times during previous bear markets. Bitcoin price exceeds the upper band, crosses the 20-period SMA, exceeds the lower band. Each time the third step occurred, it marked the bottom. Okay. So guys, basically, he says that, again, these guys, like I keep saying to you guys, that many other TAs said that we probably already reached the bottom. Okay. That's why I keep saying to you not to wait for this dip that we hope for, because this next dip, guy, is something that we really hope for. Actually, although I'm in a loss, but I really hope it goes lower as well as Casca, because I know it's going to be the best time to DCA. But to say the truth, any money I said to Casca, I DCA a couple of weeks ago already, when it was 19,500. I already started DCA in. I think it was a very good price. Now it paid off, because at 21 I'm in profit. So I'm very, very happy actually that I've done that. But of course, I wish I did more. So yes, I still expect that could go again to 19,000, definitely. So, but as people saying, we are definitely rich following the previous market. Like, look, guys, it's taking from the 2013 bull run. We went down, reached this third, went up again, 1, 2, 3 phases where this is like stabilized. So he shows here the one is price exceeds the upper band on the Bollinger Bands. Price exceeds that. You can see it's these blue lines. Price crosses the 20-period SMA, the second line. And then price exceeds the lower bands on Bollinger Bands, like price exceeding here. So we can see here, once the price exceeded that, we went up. So that means we reached the bottom right here before. Same thing happened here. Once we exceeded the Bollinger Band, we went straight up. And we are about to exceed that. Okay, so you can see here, we haven't done yet full on. But if we do exceed the lower band of Bollinger Bands, and then we can really rise up. And that's what all of them saying. We're about to do it, but we don't know. Let's see what the Fed news says. Okay, guys, keep an eye on it. This is time for you to be aware and inside checking all the time. Okay, this is it for me today. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Casca, and that's it. Tomorrow, see you guys.
See you guys.
Tomorrow.
Great, perfect. With 24 minutes today. Wow, guys. File coins. I'm not sure. I think the best thing to do is always layer one's protocol, things that will be here on the next bull run. Check the tokens, if they were here on the last bull run. Guys, did you how did they do up to now? You know what I mean? Yeah, that's it from us, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy and be careful out there because things are still gonna get dark.